I mean, this is steep.
Yeah.
It's like something out of a horror movie. You just kind of appeared. I don't mean you're out of a horror movie. Although, sometimes.
So when they are gone, then we are out. We're talking about a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out, and it's a good life. We go around the world for a show. Oh, oh, oh. And it's a good time. We're chasing every moment, all the good nights. We're always looking out, and it's a good life. No, we are never letting this go. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, the guy told me how to say. I couldn't say it. Tre Cime, where we're going to stay tonight. Tre Cime, I think it was. Tre Cime. Yeah, I couldn't say it. Natural Park of the Dolomites. We're back in. Bienvenuti. Tre Cime. You have to say it with an Italian accent, otherwise it doesn't work.
No, it's got to be with the Italiano accent.
This is a very narrow road. I love the way they've put a white line down it,
Yeah.
even when it blatantly isn't wide enough. Oh, it's widening out now, to be fair. Oh, like Dartmoor ponies. It's quite eerie, but it makes me very glad we've had the last couple of days it's been sunny.
Yeah. But it's still beautiful.
It is beautiful. It is beautiful, but you can't see any of the incredible mountains. I said that we're in a forest, so it's quite a good day to do it because you can't see many of them anyway. We can walk quicker. I'm just gonna look at the road. That's madness.
Discovered something about the Euro 6 engine today.
What's that?
It doesn't drink oil, but it uses oil. It may be Euro 6 compliant, but it does use oil. We need, before we do any more journeys, we've got to get oil. I didn't realise because the Euro 5 doesn't use that much oil. My word, this is steep. Come on, girl.
For the nights on it to tease us with warmth and such, music, love and touch. We were rolling, laughing, floating, and there's your eyes again.
So you got to pay to go up the road. To get up the road. There's a private road.
Is it? And we can camp at the top?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
45 euros. Oh my
How much?
word. 45 euros. I better take credit card. I'm going to. Where did that phone signal? You got it?
Yeah. It's one-way entry only, so even if you came down and came back in again, you can't. 45 euros.
Not sure what.
I always thought it was 20. That's ridiculous. You got no phone signal at all? Because we can't stay up here.
3G.
It's going to be a waste of 45 euros then.
Fine, isn't it? Let's see what it's like when we get there. But so far it ain't looking good.
Running with the nightlight, hearts burning for the first time. Reality is closer, but we're not getting older. Dawn a dim Picasso paints you and me in yellow, and now we'll soon be over. We're soldiers and
see what this phone signal's like. We might be coming down in 10 minutes. Jesus Christ. I mean, this is steep. But we're not going to be able to see anything until tomorrow anyway.
Soldiers and we're higher, higher, we're higher, higher, we're higher, higher, we're higher.
Okay, I'm coming in. Can't take any more. I think we're nearly at the top if that helps. Oh my god, it literally is. The road is just disappearing. Oh wow, look out the window.
What, great.
In fact, there's a huge car park with amazing views. There won't be right now.
I think it's time for Dolomites. It's 3 degrees.
A lone figure appears. It's like something out of a horror movie.
Yep.
You just kind of appeared. I don't mean you're out of a horror movie.
Thank you.
Although, sometimes. And there is land and mountains and things to see. But not today. We're living in a cloud. in Tre Cime.
So this is called Tre Cime.
I think it's Tre Cime.
How's it spelled?
Trecime. So, a lot of people, not much common sense. But now, we assume that the buses are used to passing other buses. Shall I put in the wing mirror? Oh no, they're through. Look at those peaks. Can you see them out there? It's weird how the rocks are rounded. I'll try and do a backwards picture. I don't know if that'll work or not, but I'll try. Do a backwards. Get a thumbs up from a camper. Woohoo! We're one of the cool kids. Mac enjoying the scenery. Fast asleep. We're filming inside because we were attacked by a killer wasp. But what if I can't? If I want my window down and the wasp is back, it likes me and I don't like being liked by a wasp. Ooh, buses. Dan, you got your card ready?
Hope so.
Yeah, a little bit. That's good. Keep going. There you go. Put your ticket in. Insert ticket. What does that mean?
It means that we have to pay.
Yeah, but how? I don't know what that means. That is just going up. It's not going to open. This bit's the steepest bit, isn't it? But this is steeper than the actual mountain bit. Crazy.